Hello children, welcome to General Knowledge class, Class 3, Lesson 4, Our Environment. Introduction. What is environment? The environment is everything around us, all our surrounding, including the air, soil, water, plants and animals make up the environment. Let's see the picture below and write the type of pollution they cause. Take help from the help box. Before we start the exercise, we will see what is pollution. The harmful change brought in the environment by natural and human activities is called pollution. Different types of pollutions are air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution and plastic pollution. Let's see what is water pollution. When the water sources get contaminated, it is called water pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust, smoke get into the air, make it unclean. Do you know, children, what is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the earth environment. Next, noise pollution. The pressure of noise in the atmosphere is called noise pollution. Now, let's see the exercise. Here has given 4 pictures. With the help of help box, you can find out the answers. Children, can you say what is the first picture? Okay, it is the picture of noise pollution. It is the picture of noise pollution. Look at the second picture. It shows the water pollution. It shows the water pollution. Do you know what is the third picture? Yes, it is the picture of air pollution. It is the picture of air pollution. Let's see the last picture. It shows plastic pollution. It shows plastic pollution. Next exercise. Tick what we should do and cross out what we should not. First one. Keep blowing horns. Keep blowing horns. Children, when we keep blowing horns, what will happen? It will make noise pollution. So, we should not do. Second one. Use plastic bags. Plastic things will make plastic pollution. So, we should not use plastic bag. Third one. Grow more trees. That is true. We should grow more trees because trees help clean the air we breathe. Fourth one. Throw litter into rivers and seas. Children, if we will throw waste into rivers and seas, it will cause water pollution. So, we should not do. Now, let's revise what you have learned. Can you say what is this picture? It is the picture of noise pollution. It is the picture of noise pollution. What is this picture? This picture shows water pollution. This picture shows water pollution. It is the picture of air pollution. It is the picture of air pollution. This is the picture of plastic pollution. This is the picture of plastic pollution. Exercise B. Tick what we should do and cross out what we should not. Keep blowing horns. We should not blow horns, so we have to put cross. Second one. Use plastic bag. Answer, we should not use plastic bag. So, answer we have to put cross. Third one. Grow more trees. Yes, we should grow more trees. So, we have to put tick. Last one. Throw litter into rivers and seas. We should not throw waste into rivers. So, answer we have to put cross. Next slide, you will have assignment. Do all this exercise in your book and learn it. Thank you.